What are you doing? Don't hurt her. Let go of her, or she'll fall. Play with her again. Get her to the lap.
Play peekaboo.
Oh. Get her to laugh.
Warning, turn down the volume. Make Toy laugh.
Oh.